Jupyter Notebook, what you want to do is go on to extensions and select the Python and install the Jupyter Notebook extensions here. So we have Jupyter Notebook and Python there. Now, what we want to do is create our folder. Mine is called Model1, but you can create your folder anywhere inside of your computer. The third step is to create and to select our virtual environment. Now, we are using a virtual environment because we want to save different dependencies for different projects. So one project will have different dependencies compared to another. So to do so, we want to go on to our command palette. For Windows, it's Control-Shift-P, but for Mac, it's Command-Shift-P. Then we want to create and then select our interpreter right after. So select virtual environment, and we're using our global Python installation here. Now that we have created our virtual environment folder, we want to select it. So go back to the command palette, select interpreter, and virtual environment. Awesome. Now, your virtual environment should be running when you go into your terminal, and you should see that it is activated over here. Now, what we want to do is create a Jupyter Notebook. So let's go back to the command palette. It's new Jupyter Notebook. Now you are in your Jupyter Notebook. But before we do anything, we need to select our kernel. The kernel is what's making our code run inside of Jupyter Notebook. So let's select it. And we're using our global Python installation here. Now everything is set for you to be running your Jupyter Notebook. So print hello, that will run hello. And now if we want to use Markdown, that will allow us to make text here. So let's say hello world. That makes hello world. If you want to make a title, hello, no, you have to put a space in front of the hashtag. So you need to sandwich one hashtag and another hashtag in between your text. So hello world, that will create your title. Sweet.